Anxiety is a common experience. It affects millions of people. Our brains are wired to protect us from danger. But sometimes this protective mechanism goes into overdrive. This is when we experience anxiety. It can feel overwhelming. Anxiety is not a sign of weakness. It is a natural human response to stress. Understanding how anxiety works in the brain can help us manage it. We can then live fuller, more relaxed lives. Deep within the brain lies the amygdala. This small, almond-shaped structure plays a big role in anxiety. It acts as our brain's alarm system. When we perceive a threat, the amygdala jumps into action. This triggers the fight, flight, or freeze response. Imagine encountering a snarling dog. Your amygdala sounds the alarm, your heart races, your breathing quickens. Your body prepares to either fight, flee, or freeze. This is the amygdala's way of keeping you safe. When the amygdala senses danger, it releases stress hormones. These hormones, including adrenaline and cortisol, have powerful effects on the body. Adrenaline gives you a burst of energy. It prepares you to fight or flee. Cortisol, on the other hand, helps you stay alert and focused on the threat. In small doses, these hormones are helpful. But when we experience chronic stress, these hormones can become a problem. They can lead to health issues like sleep disturbances and high blood pressure. Section 4. Prefrontal cortex versus amygdala, a balancing act. The prefrontal cortex, located at the front of the brain, is responsible for rational thinking and decision-making. It helps us assess threats accurately. It also helps us regulate our emotional responses. In anxiety, there is an imbalance between the amygdala and the prefrontal cortex. The amygdala becomes overactive. It hijacks our rational thinking. The prefrontal cortex struggles to calm the amygdala's alarm signals. This is why we may react in exaggerated ways to perceived threats. Section 5. The hippocampus, memories and anxiety intertwined. The hippocampus, another key brain region, plays a crucial role in memory. It helps us form and store memories. However, in anxiety, the hippocampus can become impaired. This can lead to difficulty remembering details. It can also make it harder to learn new information. Furthermore, the hippocampus can contribute to anxiety by retrieving fearful memories from the past. These memories can trigger anxiety in the present moment. For example, a past experience with social rejection may lead to social anxiety in the future. Section 6. Overthinking and rumination, breaking the cycle. Overthinking and rumination are common features of anxiety. Overthinking involves dwelling on negative thoughts and worries. Rumination is the tendency to replay negative events over and over in our minds. Both overthinking and rumination can fuel anxiety. They keep our minds trapped in a cycle of worry and fear. To break free from this cycle, it is important to become aware of our thoughts. We need to challenge negative thought patterns. We can also practice techniques that help us shift our focus to the present moment. Section 7. Mindfulness and lifestyle changes, your toolkit for calm. Fortunately, there are effective strategies to manage anxiety. Mindfulness techniques, such as deep breathing exercises, can help calm the amygdala's alarm system. Deep breathing slows down the heart rate. It also reduces the production of stress hormones. Regular exercise is another powerful tool for anxiety relief. Exercise releases endorphins. These are natural mood boosters. Exercise also helps regulate sleep patterns. Sleep is crucial for managing anxiety and improving overall mental health.